Many businesses still run everything out of spreadsheets or scattered systems. Clients can't log in, teams can't collaborate. Software solves this without writing any code. You can build client portals, internal tools, CRMs, knowledge bases, order systems, and more, all connected to your existing data. Check it out. Welcome back. I'm Zack from InnerDev Solutions. We help businesses streamline their processes using custom no-code tools so you can focus on what matters most. To learn more, you can visit our website, innerdevsolutions.com, or use the link in the description below. If your data lives in Airtable, Google Sheets, or another database, you might feel stuck. It might feel hard to use that data in a clean or structured way, but Softr fills that gap. So today, I'm going to show you where Softr fits in, who it's for, and what you can build with it. We'll cover permissions, use cases, AI features, workflows, and pricing. Softr is an app builder ideal for agencies, operation teams, consultants, and small businesses. So if your data is organized, the interface is not, Softr helps you create it. Some of the use cases for Softr is portals. So you can build portals for clients, customers, vendors, partners, and internal portals as well. So your clients can log in, they see their own projects, tasks, invoices, files, everything relevant to that client. That way it stays organized. For the internal tools, you can create internal systems like knowledge bases, vacation trackers, CRMs, inventory tools, order tools. There's a lot that you can build there. If your team currently works out of a spreadsheet, these tools bring structure, you can get a clean interface and better collaboration this way. Softr connects with a lot of different data sources, including their own Softr databases that has been recently released, but they connect to 14 different data sources. Airtable, Google Sheets, Notion, Supabase, SQL databases, and more. So for simple apps, you can use Airtable or Sheets, but for larger scale systems, you might need to use SQL or Supabase. Permissions are one of Softr's strongest features. You decide who can view certain pages, who edits the specific data. Records can be filtered based on the logged in user or role. Clients only see their own information. Your team sees what they need to see. And this is essential for any secure portal or internal tool. Softr also includes many of their own built-in AI tools. Ask AI lets users interact with their own data that exists on the page. Database AI agents can summarize, categorize, or enrich your records, and I have a video on that previously. There's a new vibe coding block as well that allows you to chat with it, and you can create custom interfaces using that. It's currently in the early stages, but they are going to add more advanced functionality in the future. Make sure to check out these new features as these are going to be continually improved upon to make your app building experience even better and faster. Softr also has their own built-in workflows now, so it's native to the system. I do have a previous video on that as well. You can trigger actions when users submit forms, click buttons, or complete certain tasks based off certain record conditions and more. And then also for some more advanced automations, if needed, you connect with Make and other automation tools as well. This ties your Softr app to the rest of your systems. Softr does their pricing based off of the workspace and not based off of the user. Within the pricing page, there's a lot of different options, and they do have a generous free tier to get started and test things out. But as you can see, if I scroll down, they have a bunch of different pricing options, and they do have a custom enterprise plan as well. The differences here are based off of the data sources available. So you need to jump up to the professional plan to be able to use things like Supabase or your own database. And if you scroll down, we can see the number of apps that we have available. You can only do 3 published apps on the basic plan. There's 20 app users, 100 app users, and then once you get into business, there's 500 app users. One thing to point out, if I scroll down a little bit, we can see that based on the app data, there's records per app. If we jump into the basic app, the records per app on the standard sources is 50,000. So that's things like Airtable and Softr databases itself, and then advanced sources. So this is things like your own SQL database, Supabase, Xano, and BigQuery. You can get up to the 500,000 and million records and even 10 million records on the business plan. Come to this pricing page, you'll be able to scroll through and see all of the different settings and features and the different limits that you get based off of those different features. Softr is ideal for portals and internal tools where permissions matter. It connects to your existing data, It includes strong access control, built-in AI, and it scales from simple apps to full systems. If you want to try it, start with a small internal tool or a basic client portal. There's lots of templates to get started with as well. That's it for this Softr overview. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos in the future.